So, yeah, we obviously didn't stop there. We knew the real future of insurance wasn't just about dynamic pricing. I mean, yes, it's all right. Dynamic pricing of using the live NFT prices were good and all, but it was missing a key component. I'm talking about automation. Yes, it will get redundant real soon if the user has to go again and again and again report loss, and it has a lot of chances for counterfeiting. So yeah, we spent the last several days architecting, building and deploying our latest Aegis V3, a significant evolution of our protocol. Well, let me just show you the architecture. Right here. As you can see, this is our architecture. We transformed our decentralized application into an autonomous protocol by creating a powerful synergy between two core chainlink services. We are using chainlink automation as the heartbeat for our system. It periodically calls our smart contract. This in turn dispatches a chainlink function that acts as a sentinel, proactively monitoring insured assets by verifying their ownership directly on the blockchain. So yeah, we have completely removed the manual part of the system. Let me show you the upkeep page. See, this is the Aegis Sentinel upkeep page. As you can see, the upkeep is being performed every 10 minutes, and it will keep going as long as we have the link supplied to it. What this is actually doing is it dispatches the chainlink function as soon as it is called, and that chainlink function right here. This is our sentinel. This continuously keeps on checking whether the NFT which is insured is is still in the wallet of our user, or it has been lost or not. We'll complexify its system more, including many use cases, but this was our MVP. So yeah, now is not just a concept anymore. Our V3 Sentinel is live and active on the Sapolia network right now. This is our Chainlink automation upkeep. As you can see from the history, I'll show it to you again. You can see it has been going on and on and on, and it is calling our contract every 10 minutes, proving that the heartbeat of our protocol is fully operational. Let me show you any single transaction. If I click here, we can see the success, we can see the transaction right here. And since the NFT was not transferred to any, it was reverted back. That is how it is working right now. And by this transaction, this is our irrefutable on-chain proof. It shows the Chainlink network successfully calling our Aegis V3 contract. And while our final UI has a minor refresh bug, the entire backend and on-chain and infrastructure for our autonomous system is working exactly as designed. Now, well, we ran into many difficulties while designing this. The RPC not being enough was the most, because it was not able to handle the Chainlink, all the Chainlink requests. So we had to minimize them. We built a complex autonomous protocol. We successfully deployed all its component on chain. We have a live verifiable proof that the Chainlink automation triggers works, and that the Chainlink function Sentinel works. In the final testing, we diagnosed a deep intermittent simulation issue with the external API dependency that I told you. We are now presenting our architectural success and our professional findings. So yeah, it has been a great journey designing Aegis and working on it for all of our team. And I really big thank you for providing us this opportunity to work on this. Thanks a lot.